Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to continue to the same chapter number 1 of your maths book, which is large numbers. So, in the first video, we have done a sort of introductory video of the same chapter. Now we will continue to it. Here, the things you can see on the screen are written as largest two-digit number, largest three-digit number, and largest six-digit number on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, you can see the smallest three-digit number, smallest four-digit number, and smallest seven-digit number. So from here, you can see it clearly that when we add 1 to the largest two-digit number, it becomes as the smallest three-digit number. When 1 is added, the successor of largest two-digit number is the smallest three-digit number. Got it? This I have covered in the last video also. If you have seen that, you must be knowing this. So, largest two-digit number is 99. When we add 1 in the largest two-digit number, we get smallest three-digit number, which is 100. Similarly, if we add 1 in the largest three-digit number, 999, which is 999, we get 1000, the smallest four-digit number. Similarly, if we add, and it goes on like this only, if we add 1 in the largest six-digit number, it gives us the smallest seven-digit number. Here, 9,99,999 is added with 1. It gives us 10 lakh. So, the six-digit number turns into the seven-digit number. Okay, so this is the position of the numbers are changing from here to here. Simple. So we will learn the place value. Place value. What is the place value? What do you mean by place? Place means the position. The position of the number defines its value. So when we write a number, the complete number has its position in the number. Like 2 here is on ones place, 3 is on tens place, 7 is on hundreds place, 4 is on thousands place, 6 is on 10,000s place, and 2 is on lakh place. Here we can see the chart is given. This is the place value chart, and we also say it has Indian number system. This starts with the right hand side, ones, then tens, then 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and 10 crore. This is the number system which starts from the right hand side. Always. Don't forget it. So, let's see how to solve the place value questions. Place value of all the fives in the given number. So this is the given number. It's a huge number, right? So the number is as following: 5, 6, 3, 5, 4, 2, 9, 5. We will say it as 5 crore 63 lakh 54,295. So on each 5 their positions are written: first, second, third. First 5 is on the ones place, so 5. Second 5 is on the 10,000 place, so 5 into 10,000 gives us 50,000. So place value of second 5 is 50,000. Third 5 is 5 into crore, it gives us 5 crore. The place value of third 5 is 5 crore. So from this chart we came to know that the place value of first 5 is 5, the place value of second 5 is 50,000, and the place value of third 5 is 5 crore. The place value is simply the value of the number which is asked by its place. Similarly, here comes the next topic, face value. The face value of any number is only the number name. Suppose if any number is given, like the number given to you is 6432. So in this number 6432, if someone asks you the place value of 6, then the place value will be the 1000. 6000 will be the place value of that number. But if someone asks you the place value of 6, instead someone asks you the face value of 6, you will say it as the face value of 6 is 6 itself. The face value of the number remains the same as the name of the number. So here are some examples given. 2649, 2649. It is written as 6 only. The underlined number 6 is written as 6 only. 6 is the number itself. It is the only face value of the number which is underlined. Next is 24,958 is written here. The underlined number is 4 and 4 is written like that only. Next example is 67,402. Here 4 is underlined and the face value of 4 is 4 only. Next, 95,786. Here the 9 is underlined. It's not clear here, but 9 is underlined, so the face value of 9 is 9 only. Expanded form. Expanded form is the expansion of the number. Expanded form is written as the expansion of the number. Expansion means the number is written in expanded form. For example, here 24,608 is given. We have to write an expanded form. We write 2, then 2 is on the place of 10,000. We will mark 10,000. 20,000 written here, then 4,000, then 600, then there is no number on the place of tens, so we'll not write anything on the place of tens. We'll write simply 8 ones place. Or we can do the another thing. If you're not getting this, that is, you can simply write the first number, then count the number of digits on the right hand side. Like after 2, the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros we will write on the place of those numbers. Then we'll write 4, the second number, and how many numbers are after that? On the right hand side of that there are 3 numbers, so we will write 3 zeros on the place of those three numbers. Next, 6 is there, we'll write 6, and we can see there are two digits. There are two digits on the after 6. So we will write two zeros after 6. 0 we know we do not need to write 0, so we'll not write 0, we'll escape it. Now we'll write 8 straight away. Similarly, the two more examples are done here for you. The second example is 20,086. So we'll write 20,000. See, what you say you have to write. We say it as 20,086. We have written it in the same manner. 20,000 plus 80 plus 6. So 20,000, and in the second way you can write it as 2. How many numbers are on the right hand side of 20,000? 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros written already. Then the next two digits are 0, we will neglect it. Then we will go to the number 8. 8 is written, one digit is after that, so we'll write 1 0, and then 6. Clear? Next, third, 4,09,080. Here 4 lakh, the first number is written as 4. Then how many numbers are after that? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there. We'll write 5 zeros on the place of those 5 numbers. Then 0, the next digit. There is the next digit 0. We will not write 0. 0 is neglected. We'll write 9. 9 is on the thousand place. We'll write 9,000, or in the same way we'll count the numbers on the right hand side of it. There are 3 numbers, we'll write 30. Then again 0 on the 100 place, so 0 is neglected. We'll not write 0, we'll write 80 on the tens place. 80 is on the tens place, we will write 80. There is no number on the ones place, so we'll write nothing on the place of it. Same standard form. Standard form is the short form of the expanded form. So if the number is given you in the expanded form and you have to write it in the standard form. So let us see some of the questions. First example is 20. So here the first example is 2 lakh plus 4,000 plus 20 plus 6. So we will write 2 lakh. There is nothing given on the place of 10,000. So we'll write 0 on the place of 10,000. We'll write 4 on the place of 1,000. We'll write nothing on the place of, there is nothing given on the place of 100, so we'll write 0. And on the place of tens, 2 is given, we'll write 2, and then 6. So here the whole number comes as 2,04,026. Next, here it is given 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 3. In all, we will write it as 30,000 given on the 10,000 place, 4 is given on the thousands place, 6 is given on the hundreds place, 1 is given on the tens place, and 3 is given on the ones place. In all, this number becomes as 34,613. Next, 9 lakh plus 40 plus 1. So the first number we get here is 9 lakh. We'll write down 9 lakh on the 9 on the place of lakh. Then we need after the place value of lakh, we need the place of value of 10,000, but here no value of 10,000 is given. We'll write 0 on the place value of 10,000. Then after 10,000 we need the value of 1000, but here again the no number is given on the place value of 1000. We'll again write 0 on the value of as the value of 1000. Next, value of 100, there is no number given on the place of 100, so we'll write again 0. Next comes 40. 40 is on the place value of tens. We'll write 4 on the place value of 10. Then ones here is 1. We'll write 1 on the place value of 1. So the whole number comes as 9 lakh and 41. This is the whole number. By this explanation, you will be able to do till exercise 1.3 in your book. There are some of the questions which I am giving you today as your homework, which you have to do it in your book only. So try to do it, and if you find any difficulty, then you can ask me. Simply ask me. Okay? Thank you all.